Casa JPP, designed by Zanesco Arquitetura, is a serene family home nestled amidst the lush vineyards of Bento Gonçalves in the Serra Gaúcha region of Brazil. Created for a small family of 3, the house thoughtfully embraces its surroundings while providing a comfortable, functional space for everyday living. Its design reflects a harmonious balance between modern architecture and the beauty of nature, taking full advantage of the region's flat terrain and abundant sunlight. The house's largest facade faces west towards the street, ensuring the interiors are filled with natural light and affording captivating views of the local landscape. At the heart of the home lies the pool, which serves as both a visual and physical focal point. It unites the various social spaces, making it the central feature of the house. The pool greets visitors upon their arrival, providing a sense of openness and tranquility. Nearby, a large industrial-style kitchen, paired with a spacious dining area, is the ideal setting for intimate gatherings, seamlessly transitioning from casual family meals to more elaborate social occasions. The kitchen space faces the pool and the street, enhancing the sense of connectivity both within the home and to the external environment. Inside Casa JPP, natural materials dominate the aesthetic, with warm wooden floors and ceilings creating a cozy atmosphere in the living spaces. The use of uniform tiled flooring in the bathrooms and service areas adds a practical yet stylish touch. Throughout the home, careful attention is paid to integrating the interiors with the surrounding landscape, ensuring that the family can enjoy views of the garden from all sides. This thoughtful design brings architecture and nature into a symbiotic relationship, allowing the home to blend harmoniously with the green surroundings, like close neighbors coexisting peacefully. The layout of Casa JPP is divided into 3 distinct volumes, each serving a unique purpose and creating a welcoming courtyard that includes a pool area. These volumes house both intimate and social spaces, structured according to the family's needs. The intimate area includes a suite and 2 bedrooms, each designed with large openings that connect seamlessly to the outside, allowing for a constant visual connection with the neighboring vegetation.